Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. My name is Amarpreet Kaur and I am your computer teacher. Today, we will do an answer sheet of chapter number first, whose name is number system. Now look at the page number 13 and then 14. First part is take the correct option. In the binary number system, rightmost digit before the fractional point is called dash. The rightmost digit is called the least significant digit. Okay, the base 2 is another name for the binary number system. What the base we take in case of binary, we take up 2. Okay, so answer is binary number system. Next, dash are the two symbols present in the binary number system. Bi means 2. We take a 2 digit, 0 and 1. Okay. Next, decimal number. This is equivalent to this. Okay. You have to find the binary number of this 3, 4, 5, and it will come like this. Okay. And the answer will be A. Next, write T for true and F for false. The number system is simply a manner of counting. Yes, number system we use for counting. True. A base of decimal number system is 10. Yes, it is true. And the word binary comes from bi, meaning 2. Yes, bi means 2. It is also true. Octal number system is used as a shorthand representation of long binary numbers. We use octal system for long binary number. Yes, it is also true. And hexadecimal number system consists of 16 digits. It is also true. Okay. Now next, fill in the blanks. First, in binary subtraction, 1 minus 1 equals to 0. Yes, this is the rule of subtraction, and base of binary number system is 2. And the base of dash system is 10. It is a base of a decimal number system. Okay, right here decimal number. In binary addition, in addition rule, 1 plus 1 is equal to 1, 0. We write a 0 and take this carry. Octal number system consists of dash digits. It consists of 8 digits. Okay, computer system understands dash numbers. It understands binary numbers. Okay, now next let's do it. A part, short answer type questions. Okay, we will do a first question. What is an octal number? Now, one point keep in mind, write only question answers on your notebook, and other work you have to do on a book. Okay, octal number system consists of 8 digits. It means from 0 to 7, and the base of octal number system is 8, and each digit position in this system represent a power of 8. We take a digit in the power of 8. Now, what is a byte? A byte is a collection of 8 digits, either 0 or 1. A byte is consist of 8 bits. Okay, it is a group of 8 bits. Now, what is the base in octal number system and hexadecimal system? The base of octal system is 8 and base of hexadecimal is 16. Now, next is long answer type questions. What is number system? Explain. A number system is simply a method of counting we use for counting. I have already told you, and many different number exist. There are, it has so many types: octal number system, binary number system, hexadecimal system. Now next is, what are the rules to convert the decimal number into a binary number? Okay, now divide the decimal number first by 2 and note down the quotient and remainder. Then again divide the quotient by 2 and note the result, and then repeat the procedure till you reach a quotient less than 2. Okay, you have to stop here when you reach a quotient less than 2 and list your last quotient and remainder. Okay, this is the these are the rules to convert decimal number into binary number. Now this is the rule, write the rules to multiply two binary numbers. Now this is the rules for the multiplication. Okay, 0 multiply with 0 is 0, and 0 multiply 1 is 0, and 1 multiply 0, only 1 multiply 1 will give you a 1. Okay, now solve the following. Okay, I will explain you a one, and the other one you have to do by own. Okay, and this is your then you have to do a practice by own, and if you do a more and more practice, then you will learn the method. Okay, convert this into decimal equivalent. Okay, now take left part to the decimal side and right. First take a left part. Now first digit multiply with the 2 power 2 0, and second with the 2 power 1 and 2 power 2, 2 power 3 and 2 power 4. Okay, multiply this and add. And to the right side, start multiply 2 power minus 1, and second digit 2 power minus 2, and third digit 2 power minus 3. Okay, then add. When you will add, at last you will get a decimal number. Okay, similarly you can do a practice of these kind of questions by own. Okay, now this is a unique sum. Subtract this number from this. Okay, now you can do a subtraction. 0 minus 1 is 1, and it will borrow a 1 from here, and again we will get an answer 0, and gain 1 minus 1 0, and you will start taking a borrow from here, and it will become 10, 1 0 1 0 1 0, and here you will get the answer 1 1 and 0. Okay, this is the method of subtraction. Now what is the method of addition? 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 0, and 0 plus 1 1, and this there is only 1, he write the 1. Okay, now do a practice, do yourself. Okay, do this question yourself. Apply the addition rules on a B part, C, D, and E. Same rules you have to follow. So do a practice. So convert the decimal number into binary. How we can convert? Here, take a 39. Now divide 39 by 2, get remainder 1, and divide 19 by 9, again remainder 1, divide 9 by 4, again 1. Now divide 4 by 2 0, and 2 by 2 is 0. Okay, now write, start from bottom and go to top and write the binary number. This is the corresponding binary number. Now do this question B, C, and D by own, and E. Okay, now come to page number 15, crack the code. Okay, solve the crossword by filling it with equivalent decimal numbers or binary numbers. You have to just fill the decimal numbers and binary numbers. Suppose convert this one down 21. The binary number of 21 is 10101, and next is 123, mean 123. Convert 123, whose binary number is 1111011. Okay, you can convert in a forward direction, or you can also convert in a backward direction. Next, 361. You can see here the binary number of 361 is here. Okay, up to this. This is the binary number 101101001. Okay, this is the binary number of 361, and the binary number of 6 is 110. Now check the across one. 101 means 10. Convert 101 into into a decimal number. Okay, 101 equals to second one, check here, second one 1100101. This is the binary number of this one. Okay, 101. And next is 100101101. In this case you will get a result 301. Okay, 1100. This is a binary, and you will get a result here 112. Okay, convert into decimal number. 12 is the decimal number of sixth question. Next is 165. 165, this is your eighth question, and the binary number of 165 is 101000101. I have already told you the method about it, so do this question same as it is. which I have already told you the method. Okay. Now, ninth question will give you a decimal number 81. Okay. And the 10th, its decimal number is 106. Okay. It's 81. Okay. Now, complete your this chapter and write question answers only on your notebook, and other do the work on your book. Okay. Thank you, students. Stay home, stay healthy, stay happy.